Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, if this is your first time here. Today's video, as you can see from my face, is a fun, costumey vibe look. I was going for an Independence Day, 4th of July inspired look, just a simple American look, and I was going to make it look super cute and classy and subtle, but this is what we got. We got a full-blown American popsicle look. I'm also getting Captain America and Harley Quinn vibes. But yeah, it's super fun. So if you're going to somewhere fun with your family or friends or some kind of themed party for 4th of July, girl, stop what you're doing. Watch my video because we're going to get it, and it's super easy to do. It's 3 steps. It's just a little kind of cut crease ombre look, and so yeah, you can watch how I get this, what I use, and we have fun little chit chat while we're doing it. And so just keep watching, okay? Just keep watching. It's fun. I feel silly. I don't use that word a lot, but I feel silly right now. I don't know. It's fun. It's fun. So keep watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, the first step, I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer. I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the shade 16, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid, and we're going to use that as our base today. And ignore the fact that my eyes are a little red. I just took my makeup off that I was wearing during the day today, and so promise there's nothing wrong with me. I got some micellar water in my eyeball because that's how I roll. Okay, our first step today, we're going to do that crease in a red color. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to swirl my brush, as you can see I've already kind of tested it, into this deep red shade, and then I'm also going to tap it into this orangey toned shade, and that's because I don't really have a true red, which is fine because we don't want it to be banging red, but this is going to provide just a warmy and orange toned orangey and warm toned color in that crease to provide that American red crease. So I'm just going to take that and put that all in the crease. So it's kind of like a deep red, but in the grand scheme of things, it's going to really be just like an American looking red. Y'all, I think my eyebrows are uneven. I've been looking at this lately. I feel like this one is lower set than this one because I feel like I always have to go farther up with my eyeshadow on this side. I don't know, y'all tell me, are they uneven? Or maybe it's just my eyelids, or maybe I'm just not good at makeup. I don't know, it just always feels like this crease is so much farther away from my eyebrow. That was irrelevant. I shouldn't have said that out loud. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to go in with just a patting brush, and we're going to cover the majority of the lid. Just because we're going to make it really light right here, and I want it to be easy to lay down a lighter color. And so this truly does not have to be perfect on the outside, as you can see, because we're going to be blending it together with another shade. But yeah, you can see the majority of the inner lid is covered, and then we're not really going to do a cut crease, but you do want to, for the majority, there's going to be a lighter shade there, so that just kind of protects it from getting blended in. Sorry, I always stick my tongue out and make it really ugly faces when I do things. I look back at my videos and I'm always people probably click away at this moment right here when I'm just super ugly. I look like the Queen of Hearts. When it gets closer to Halloween, I really want to do a Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland look, because I think that would be fun. I'm so ready for Halloween. I love Halloween makeup. I've never done extreme Halloween makeup. I was Poison Ivy last year, from Batman, and I put actual ivy, fake ivy leaves on my face. It was really cute. And then I was Victoria's Secret Angel. I've done angel makeup, which is just super pretty. And then I've been a cheetah. I did actual cheetah print on my side of my face. I was Beyonce one year. Yeah, it was really fun. I don't look like Beyonce, but I tried. So now that I have the majority of that lid colored in with concealer, what comes next on the flag after red? White, of course. And so the only real true white shade I have is in this Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales palette. And so I'm just going to go into this super white right here. It's in the shade Ghostly. Any white, of course, will do. And we're going to see how this works. I've never actually used this specific shade before, and we're just going to cover the middle lid, the center of the eyelid. I'm sorry that everything I say doesn't really make any sense, but there's a lot of like, I'm going to spritz this with some MAC Fix Plus and hope that that will make it stay better. So we're going to try that again. It's literally snowing all in my room right now from what I can see from this shade. So yeah, I don't recommend this white, but if you can get any kind of white from just like the drugstore, do it. I think I just snorted some. It's everywhere. What's going on? Let's try this lid. Are you gonna cooperate? What in the world? We can go over that outer with the red, so I'm not like that worried about it. I'm just really wanting this white to stay because you can tell it's like choppy and you can see the concealer through it and it just looks like there's donut powder on my lids right now. Look at that. I look like the Mad Hatter. I went from the Queen of Hearts to the Mad Hatter all in like 20 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean up that outer corner where the white kind of took over that red. Just slightly, ever so slightly. I'm going to try using that concealer brush with that white again to see maybe if the stickiness of that brush will help it lay down. Sorry there's always so many like epic fails on my channel. Like you'd think I could like practice ahead of time, but I'm the type of person that likes to just kind of go for things. Like when I give like have had to give speeches and stuff, I hate writing out speeches before I have to give a speech. I like freeballing, and so kind of the same with my makeup. I just like to kind of see what happens. So as you can see, the white's looking a little bit better after spritzing it like 3 billion times with that spray. Now it's time we're going to go ahead and move on to the blue. And I'm going to go back and clean up the white because it does kind of look like a powdered donut right now. But we're going to go ahead and move on to this blue. And I'm going to go into the Perception palette by Shayla X ColourPop. And we're going to go into the shade right here. I think it's called 14. And it is just like the true blue shade. I've been wanting to use this for a while now. And we're going to put that in the inner corner. I know that sounds crazy, but we're going to do it. And we're going to kind of blend that in to that white. Holy crap, I was saying I didn't want to do anything tacky. I look like the actual American flag. And so we're just going to blend that into that white. And don't worry, like I'm going to clean up my face after. I know it would have been like the smart decision to do my foundation after, but I'm not here for a smart decision right now. And so honestly, it's like, this is almost like costume looking makeup, but it's still like really pretty in my opinion. Or it looks like one of those popsicles, you know. Hey Day! That's my girl. What's he doing?
What is that for?
You look cute today. You look beautiful. Okay, I just had to take a little break. I had to FaceTime my dog. We talk on the phone every day. She's back home with my mom and my brother, and she just needs to talk to me because she loves me. I'm starting to feel like the Joker right now. But you know, it's okay to be patriotic, okay? It's okay to embrace your Americanism. So I'm going to go back over that white just to kind of tighten things up with it. In that shade Ghostly. We're going to bring that up a little bit to the top to kind of meet that blue and red. Now I'm going to go back into that blue shade, 14 right here. And I'm just going to take a buffer brush and go along the bottom lash line. Y'all, this looking crazy, but I'm kind of feeling it. But you know, when you have like 3 shades to really work with, it's kind of hard to be like super cute. I'm also going to take that blue and bring it, actually I'm going to go back to my original brush. I'm going to take that blue and bring it more into the white. I feel like that'll kind of make it look a little better. Now I'm going to go on with a thick winged liner. And I'm going to try and do it like kind of not crazy thick, but pretty thick. And I thought I'd do like a thick liner and winged liner because it's like, why not? I'm walking around looking like a popsicle. But I guess if you have, you know, a 4th of July event to go to where you want to do a full glam look, channeling your inner American flag, this may be the look for you. Okay, now that I have that winged liner, it's kind of, I did it kind of like a U-y looking. You know, I did it kind of off camera because it's kind of hard to get that U-y shape, and it kind of just goes along with the look. I kind of have like an ovally looking eyelid right now, but I'm going to go and put on some fake lashes real fast, and then I'll be right back. I'm not going to do this on camera either. Now that I have, sorry, there's eyelash glue in my eyeball. My eyeballs are not having a good day. I'm just going to try and ignore that, but I'm going to go in with a little bit of a liner and just put it on my waterline. This is by Marc Jacobs, and it dries out really fast. Now I'm also going to take a little bit of mascara, or a lot of bit of mascara, and put that on that bottom lash line. You can see. This also could be like a Captain America inspired makeup look, you know? Keep it fun, keep it festive. Oh. Now I'm going to go in with some bright red lipstick, and I'm going to use Hot Shot by Morphe, and although that is going to kind of contrast with the lid, it's what I want to use. Just to kind of make it a little bit more shimmery on that lid, I'm going to go into the shade Unbothered up here, and I'm going to lightly glaze over that white with this shade, even if it does kind of make it a little yellowy. We're just going to see what this actually does. It's not really showing up. It's okay. So to kind of make that lipstick, it is kind of bothering me a little bit, so I kind of want to semi-match it to what I have going on the lid. I'm going to go in the shade F-Bomb, and this is by Urban Decay, I believe. Yes, Urban Decay. And it's more of like a deeper cinnamon red. We're just going to go over that. I really need to start buying more lip liners. You know, I'm a 21-year-old woman. I need to be more mature and buy a lip liner. I'm screaming America right now. Screaming it. I did kind of like already bronze my face, but I'm just going to go in with a little bit of blush, and this is just by CoverGirl, just to kind of warm up the face a little bit. Just got kind of like that red undertone, and then I always go back around it with just a plain brush to kind of soften the edges. And now we're going to complete this booming look, and we're going to go into this shade by Kylie Cosmetics in Santorini, and it's a loose highlighter, and this thing is the most blinding highlight I've ever seen. Like, you have to be very gentle with it. See that? Oh, like that's popping. Like, I'm not joking. This is, oh, the most blinding highlight ever. Oh. And this is like a thick brush, but I've used this for highlight. Like, I use it a lot for highlight, and I just really like it because it's just big and thick and fluffy. Now I'm going to go and braid my hair to complete this little patriot look and give me that little, I don't know what you call her, the girl, you know, the whatever, I don't know, I just want to be looking American, and so, I mean, you can leave your hair, however, I just want to braid it. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I decided to pigtail my hair instead. I straight up look like Harley Quinn right now. This is like supposed to be super American, which I guess if you're going to like something fun like with your friends or family and you just want to go on full on support the troops right here, this is an American flag look for you. I straight up look like Harley Quinn like right now. You know how she does her little like crazy look? Yeah, I look and feel like her all the time, but you know, I'm kidding. I'm not crazy. You may think I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy. I'm kidding. Okay, so anyway, this is our look. I'm just a little cracked up because I imagined it being just this like subtle, simple red, white, and blue look, but it's impossible to do red, white, and blue without going full blown out, and you have to do like red, white, and blue. You can't do like red, blue, white, red. I don't know. You gotta, I guess you can do blue, white, red. Okay, anyway. But so yeah, this is the final look today. I hope you like it. I don't know. I'm a little surprised, but honestly it's pretty. You know, if it would have been different colors, it probably would be more like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping with this. But you know, this is a look. I would only do this like 4th of July or Halloween. Honestly, thank you for watching this. Give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe. I may do more fun things like this in the future. But yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Be safe on 4th of July, if anything. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.